Hey guys, thank you for checking out Tinymenaceapparel, building a brand. So on this episode, I'm trying out some new brands. So this one is called Live and Tell, LAT Apparel, and this is a new brand that I'm trying out for blanks to see if it's going to be a good match, if it has a good feel, because prices. If you're getting into the t-shirt business, you notice prices have gone up because of COVID. But once these prices go up, if you notice, when they're putting up that the price is going up, they're not writing that they're temporarily going up. Once they go up, I feel like they're staying up. So I want to see if I find a new brand, a new company that I could use for some of our designs, for our new designs coming out for the winter. So this is a LAT Live and Tell brand, 3XL Crewneck. And what I loved about this one online was the pictures that they took at the website. See, and this is not as stretchy. It's a little different type of feel here. I don't know how to describe it, but it feels more like a band, not like fabric, not like the cotton fabrics. The neck feels great. Neck look, it feels great. The fabric is great, I'll tell you. I'm gonna give you guys the prices. So this is a 3X gray crew neck here. Okay? Now let's see. I ordered different things to press Menace on it and see how it goes. So this is a Menace Sweat Pants. So this one here is medium. You know we sell everything unisex on Tinymenaceapparel.com. And this here is gonna be for men and women because it's unisex, of course. But I'm gonna have my wife model this. She's a medium, and we'll see how this comes out. Same elastic band in the heels and the cuffs. The waist, it feels great. It feels really great quality, and I love the string. Different color string from the brand color is always good from the main color. Now this one I believe is my size here. This is supposed to go with my crew neck. But I also ordered a hoodie, so I'm not sure. Yeah, this is 2XL pants. Their pant size only goes up to 2XL. But I fit a 2XL in pants, so that's great. I think I fit an XL, but 2XL might be a little big, but it's okay. I wear baggy anyway sometimes. So my order is a lot bigger than this one. This is just a part one. But this here, I ordered sets. So I ordered kid sizes. I ordered Gildan, and it'll be the pants and top, the hoodies. And then for adults, I ordered the LAT, and I ordered the bottom tops, and then I ordered a crew neck, a separate crew neck. So I'm still missing the female medium top and the male 3X hoodie. And then I have the 2X crew neck here. And I will be, so far it feels great. So this is gonna be like a quick little review. It is more like an unboxing. And it feels great. This is the package here. All right, so I don't have the pricing here. But it'll be down in the description. I'll put the price down in the description. Check out the description for pricing. This is just the invoice. Sorry, the packing slip that just says how many of each size is in here. There's nothing else in here, but I should be receiving the next orders in a few days. So I normally, when I order blanks, I order them from Jiffy Shirts. Sorry, let me get this out the way. I normally have a lot more room here because I organize things before I shoot, but let's see if this is better for you guys. Okay, so I normally order from jiffyshirts.com. That's where I get my t-shirts, that's where I get my hoodies and crew necks. Sometimes I go, they're sold out, I go to different places. So this is from SNS. And I'll put the description in the bottom. And they have everything that Jiffy Shirts has. Maybe a few more things as far as, you know, if you're doing children's clothes, it's going to be really hard for you. You can definitely find children's t-shirts everywhere. It's not a problem. But when it gets to children's sweatsuits, sweatpants, sweatshirts, I was looking for sweat shorts. It's very difficult to find, and then if you do find it, they do have the listings up on their site, but when you go to buy it, it's always sold out. So either they just put it up there and they just never restock, and they just have it on there just to attract people as far as the algorithm, to attract people to their site, or it just sells out really fast because, you know, it's a hot selling item because no one else sells it. So something to think about. That is the type of thing that you might want to go to in the future. Once you grow, you might want to go to Alibaba, or you might want to go to one of those DHgate. You might want to go to those wholesalers from China or India and order them in big boxes, big loads. Once you figure things out, you know, once you order some samples from them, make sure they're reputable. We can go over an episode on that if you like. Just put in the comments that you like the episode on Alibaba, AliExpress. I did say I was going to do that, but I haven't received much feedback. As you notice, people aren't writing much comments on YouTube. This is weird. People watch the video on YouTube and then message me on Instagram and message me questions on Instagram, where I don't mind. I answer either way, but please comment in YouTube too. You know, just to build some, just to get some messages on there. But yeah, please subscribe. Consider subscribing. More people subscribe, I'm gonna make more videos. So in part 2, I'm gonna go unboxing the second shipment. So in the second video that's gonna be out in a few days, it's gonna be the second shipment. So subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can see it when it first goes up. It's gonna be the second shipment, and then I'm gonna open up I'm gonna show you guys the whole order. So I have LAT. I ordered t-shirts so I can compare them with Gildan, New Level, and Anvil shirts that we sell here, that we sell at Menace Apparel. I'm going to compare the qualities to see if I want to make a switch with LAT t-shirts. Then I'm going to have these sweatsuits, and I'm also going to show the Gildan kids sweatsuits. Now, in the second part, I'm going to go over the quality of the clothes. I'm going to go over the pricing. Right now, you can see the pricing of these clothes. I'm going to put in the description right now, so you'll be able to see that below. But in the next video, you're going to be able to see it all laid out. I'm going to show you guys the top and bottom. You'll be able to see. And then in part 3, or maybe in part 2, we'll see how it goes. I don't want to make the videos too long. I'm going to press up the clothing. And then, yeah, so if we do part 3, I'll press them up. And then part 4 will be the photo shoot. So you'll get behind the scenes of the shoot. And you'll see how I move all this stuff. People are always commenting on this. What's up with the tape? What's up with the sheet? I edit all this out. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but you can definitely see that one. I edit all of this out. The black was more for me I stand in the center, and then I edit whatever's outside of me. So if I'm standing directly in the middle of this, these tape marks, all of this stuff is being edited out. You just cut it out and you put all black behind you. So I've also showed you guys websites that I use to make mock-ups. If you check my Instagram right now, you check Tinymenaceapparel's Instagram, you'll see the last 6 to 9 posts. They were all done with mock-ups from placeit.com. This is not an advertisement because, you know, I don't do the referral advertisement things. I'm just letting you know how I do it. So placeit.com, I use those mock-ups. I upload the design with a transparent background, so that only the design goes up and it just goes on top of the model. And then you can use those images, download them for a fee, of course. You sign up for a subscription. You can download it if you're not subscribed, but it does have a watermark on it. And then, so you can do it that way. So there's placeit.com. And then let's say I take a picture on here and then I want to erase the background. So when you use those programs to erase the background, when you use a solid color behind you, it makes it a lot easier for the program to delete everything. So I take the picture of this. Then on my phone, I have another one called Pixel Cut, that app, and you just slide and removes backgrounds. I don't know if you guys seen the advertisements of that on Instagram. There are definitely a lot of advertisements on Instagram with that app, but I don't ever see them on YouTube or anywhere else. But you slide, there's like a sliding bar, and it deletes the background, and it does it in 2 seconds. Then you can change the background with one of their pre-made template backgrounds that they have, or you can just pick solid colors, and then you post that up. And if you scroll through the Instagram, our Instagram, Tinymenaceapparel, you'll notice that there too. I'm thinning out the Instagram account. On another episode, I'm going to talk to you guys about creating a theme within your Instagram feed. I'm not very good at it, but I'm going to show you what I do and how I figure things out. And once a picture's been up there for a long time, I don't want to have the Instagram feed just keep scrolling. It's going to go forever. A lot of brands, what they do is they release 2-3 collections and then they delete all of their pictures and start fresh with the new collection, release 9, 12, 15 pictures, and just you'll get that one collection when you go to the Instagram feed. That's what I'm going to start trying to do soon. But if you check the Instagram right now, you'll see how it's up now. It's still a little, it's kind of outlined correctly above in the newer pictures, and then further down you start seeing that the colors don't necessarily match, because I was just posting a design here, then wait 2 days and a different design, and I was just shooting darts, you know, at a dartboard till you get the bullseye. So here it is, LAT. Check this out. It's in SNS. I'll put the website in the bottom. It's a wholesale site, and you don't need a tax ID or anything to order from them. You do need to submit something so you can put your social in the future, but when I created the account, I didn't have to do that. I'm sure for tax purposes, they'll ask me for that in the future. So then we have this. You can go SNS or you can go to Jiffy Shirts. I'll put both websites, but where I got the LAT, I got it from SNS. Thanks for watching. Tinymenaceapparel.com. Thank you. Subscribe.